Welcome back to my channel, guys and gals. In today's video, I will make something simple and sweet. A brownie in a mug. That's right, you heard me. A brownie in a mug. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, commenting on this video, sharing this video. So let's get started. First, let's add 1/4 cup of flour. Next, let's add 1/4 cup of sugar. Next, let's add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa. Next, let's add a pinch of salt. Now, let's add a pinch of cinnamon. Now, let's stir the dry ingredients. Okay, after you stir the dry ingredients, now add 1/4 cup of water. Now add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't have a teaspoon, so I'm just gonna estimate. That should be it. Now stir the wet ingredients until smooth. Now place the mix in the microwave oven on high until it's cooked thoroughly. I can see a few lumps in there, but it's no big deal. So let's put this in the microwave oven. And here it is, folks, straight out the microwave oven. It's not the prettiest, but hey, it's a brownie in a mug cooked in the microwave oven. Let me let it cool down. I plan on topping it with some ice cream, a couple of scoops, and I'll let you know how it tastes. And here it is, folks. A brownie cooked in the mug, topped with vanilla ice cream. It actually tastes pretty good. As best as a brownie cooked in the microwave oven can taste. But it's edible. But if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, commenting on this video, sharing this video. And if you like this video, smash that like button. Until next time, folks.